this just perfect? Look at that constellation, it's so bright tonight. Wow, I've never seen it like that before. We should get a closer look. Ah, good morning. What a peaceful start. Ah, good morning. What a peaceful start to the day. This is so peaceful. The morning is perfect. Would you like some bread? Yes, please.
I made this special blend just for us. It's perfectly warm.
Isn't this just perfect? Absolutely. Best tea spot ever. I saw the most beautiful fox this morning. That's lovely. I found these amazing mushrooms by the river. Let's make a soup tonight. Perfect, I'll grab some herbs. Oh my goodness, that's the funniest thing I've ever heard. Right, I told you. Wait, did you see that one over there? Come on, let's head that way. Perfect. That's it. Looks so cozy. Let's eat. Almost done. You look so lovely. Thank you. It's perfect. I could stay here all day. Me too. It's just perfect. This flower is so pretty, and the sun feels so good. The campsite must be just over the hill now. I can't wait to see what we found. Let's go. It's getting late.
The campsite. I'm glad to be back. Me too. Let's make some tea.
Almost done. This is gonna be perfect. Smells incredible. Oh. Just added the herbs, give it a few more minutes. so good. Perfect golden brown. Would you like some more, dear? Oh, thank you. This is delicious. Smells wonderful, Character B. Thank you. I hope you like it. It's perfect. Thank you. And then he looked at me and said, "Oh, I can't believe it. No way." He really did. Oh, that's hilarious. I think this one is finally done. Oh, it's beautiful. Look, I added the red one. Your crown is crooked. It is. It's so cute. You look lovely. We love you. The corn is smelling so good. Yours look perfect. You're an expert. I think the mushrooms are ready. It's so beautiful out here.
The vegetables taste amazing.
Thank you. I'm glad. This soup is perfect tonight.
Try some of this.
Thank you. That looks delicious.
Let me pour you some too.
This is perfect. I remember picking blueberries with my grandmother. The sun was just starting to rise. That sounds so peaceful. It really does. Isn't this just perfect? Look at that constellation. It's so bright tonight. Wow, I've never seen it like that before. We should get a closer look. I'm glad we could do this. Me too. That was beautiful.